How to create Facebook account. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to create Facebook account. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to our Facebook app right here. So let's click on that, and then from in there you can see this create new account. So let's click on that, and in here you can see that you can join Facebook. So let's click on get started right here, and then from in there what you can do is just add in your first name. So for example, my first name is Ciara and my last name is D. After that you can just click on next, and then from in here you can set a birthday. So in here I will set my birthday. You can also do this, click on set, and then click on next right here. After that you can put in your gender. So for me I'll put in female, and click on next. And after that, you can allow access to your Facebook, but I will deny it. You can add in your email address or your mobile, but I will sign up with email. And then from in here, I will type in my email address, which is bmfrems3, and click on next. And then in here, you can just create a password. So for me, I will add in a password. So you can also do that on your own, and click on next. And then you can save your login info also. So click on save. Click on I agree, and then after that this will load. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see, you can now log into your account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create Facebook account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.